Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Visual Studio and the C#/. NET workloads are installed. This gives you compilers, IntelliSense, and templates. Once done, choose File New Project and pick the console app or class library template to focus your tooling. Make sure to set the target framework, name the solution clearly, and pick a logical folder so your source control and builds remain clean. These first actions prepare the environment and avoid refactors later when adding dependencies or tests. You now write and organize code inside Solution Explorer, Open Program, CS, or add new classes and namespaces to keep responsibilities clear. Once you code, build with Ctrl+Shift+B and address errors shown in the error list. Fix syntax first, then logic. Make sure to set breakpoints and run F5 to debug. Use the locals, watch, and call stack windows to inspect state. As you iterate, refactor with rename and extract method to keep methods small and tests simpler. You finish by adding tests and publishing your app. Add MS-test or XUnit tests and run them in Test Explorer. This prevents regressions. When ready to deploy, right-click the project, choose Publish, and select a target such as Folder, Azure, or IIS. Follow the wizard to package and configure. If something breaks, check the output and debug windows, verify NuGet package versions, and consult Event Viewer for runtime errors. One key tip: clear bin/obj and rebuild to resolve many mysterious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.